So here we have taken the same class like car, and this is our class variable, and this car color is nothing but the instance variable because it precedes with the self keyword. Whereas name here inside this method is a local variable because it does not start with any self. So we are creating two objects of car class here. So car1, car2 are two objects, and using object 1, that is car1, we are calling this set color, and we are setting or passing the value for this color is red, which is obviously set to the car color instance variable attached with car1, which is nothing but red. Hence we are going to get the output like red here. Similarly, car2 we have used to call the set color once again, but this time we are passing a different value for this object. As a result, we are going to get the car color as blue. Now, when I'm calling this brand method, where this name is a local variable which is set to Maruti, and it is going to print the same Maruti here. And later on, when I'm just calling this or using this wheels, which is actually a class variable and it is common to each and every object. So either I go on using car1 dot wheels or I write car2 dot wheels, both of them are going to produce the same value. So now when I run this, let me save this once. Now when I run this, so we can see we are getting this red, blue because of object 1, object 2. Then this is the result of your brand method. Whereas you can see wheels when I'm printing with car 1 and car 2, I'm getting the same value.